Yo, it's Chris O. How you doing? I'm into this part now, the front entrance. So I'll start there and then I'll come around here. We've got a bit of protection on the carpet, which is cool. Pop them down. Beauty. Ooh. Okay. I haven't put a clip in there, and I need to just build that up. I need to put a little bit of glue there just to build the corner up. So I'll lift my tile. Because I'm not using the clip there, I need to just build it up with a little bit of glue, and I can press it into place. Just like that. Clean the glue out of your joint as you go. Beauty. DIYers, you're able to do your own floor after this, or a couple more videos. I do bathrooms and floors all the time, so you'll pick up, if you keep watching, you'll pick up things as you go. Lean in, there's a lot to learn. I always allow a gap for my skirting. Sometimes the skirting is left in if it's high enough, but in this case it was too low. But it's better because it gives enough room for everything to move. Your floor, your walls, everything. It's not jammed in tight. And it's so cool when you do have no skirting, because you're able to cut them all the same. You're not scribing to the skirting all the time. But it makes a way better job. Way better. Right, I noticed I'm getting a little bit tight to the wall, so I'll make it a little bit smaller. How many do I need? 2. This is just part of it. Sometimes you get it. It's just part of the job. But hey, it could be worse. Bit of cardboard is nothing. Right, a little bit smaller. Whooshka. You always been careful with your tiles, because they can, when putting down a tile, you can chip one that's already down, so be careful. Scraping your glue away. Nearly forgot, didn't I? Put in the clip. I don't need another one there because that's pretty close. It's all, you know, it's not a full tile either. Give her a bang into position. Where's the rubber hammer? A little bit of adjustment. These crowbars are so cool. But you always be careful when you're putting them down on your finished tile. You're always, DIYers, you're always watching your lines. I was kneeling on that tile and I shouldn't have been, because it's fresh. Some people get sick of their job, but you know, after 35 years, it's like having people happy. It's boy, it's neat. It's so neat. When you leave a job or during a job, the people can't wait to see you go, of course. But the you know, they're so pleased with the end result. It's neat. That's why I'm still doing it. And I'd like to pass on what I've learnt over the years to you people so you can do it yourself. Some people haven't got the know-how to do it themselves. Well then, you know, not everyone's built the same. Okay, well, I'll turn this off before everyone gets bored. I'll carry on around here and into there. I'll come back in half an hour or so. Don't forget to subscribe, press the bell, and we're home and hose. I'll see you soon. Bye.